Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new here. Today I'm doing the part 2, or just a continuation of my de-influencing series. I will link the other one down below. You'll really seem to like it, and today I'm back to tell you guys more products that I think are either overhyped, or there's like cheaper alternatives out there that are just as good, or that are just not worth any money. This one is a little controversial. I'm gonna mention a lot of like bigger brands and I'm like a little scared, but we're doing it, you know? Like, I strive to be honest and to tell you guys the pros and cons of every product I mention on my channel. And these are things that are pretty popular over on TikTok and social media, so I'm excited to get into it. Follow me on my new Instagram if you haven't already, and check out the first video if you haven't already as well. I'll try to have all the alternatives and things I mentioned down below, including this darling little knit top from Amazon and my cutie little bow earrings, also Amazon. Okay, let's jump into it. Free People. I'm a huge fan. Free People items have gone viral on TikTok, like the shorts and the jumpsuit and this and that. I have like so many hacks. Number one, Amazon. Amazon has so many Free People lookalikes for $100 less. I'm not even kidding. The In the Slopes jacket that I reviewed recently, identical, and I like the Amazon version better. 40 to like 198. They have the jumpsuit that went viral last year that I bought the full price version of. They have it for like 30 bucks. So there's that one. I have like the Free People movement high-rise shorts. I have so many of like their activewear lookalikes from Amazon. However, sometimes Amazon just doesn't have those things. You know where to go? Marshalls, Tjmaxx, Macy's, Dillard's, so many sales, and Tjmaxx.com is my secret weapon. They have so many good brands, like Revolve brands, so much less, and that includes Free People. So I would check all of that, and if you still can't find it and if you're still thinking about it, then I would pay the $200 for a jacket. Okay, for some reason I'm super nervous about this, but one thing that I see all over social media that I was actually extremely influenced, it was in all my wish lists, like I wanted it so badly. Caraway, beautiful, aesthetically pleasing pots and pans. This was sent to me. That's the first disclaimer. The second disclaimer is this could totally be a me problem, but I still want to give you guys a very honest experience and review. Hear me out. I got it back in October and I was so excited. I got the white with the gold detailing. It matched our kitchen perfectly. You're supposed to get for like $500 all the pots and pans you could ever need. It's supposed to be non-stick, non-toxic. For the first month or so, everything was peachy. Like, I was obsessed. I didn't need any other pots and pans. I treated them like I treat my dogs and my baby. Like, you're gonna get washed and dried and right there looking beautiful and perfect. And slowly but surely the pans on the outside started turning yellowy and kind of like burnt, even though we would like take care of them so well. I thought using something multiple times a day, every day, the color, the lighter color, is bound to just start, you know, looking a little ugly. But here is where my problem lies. The main like selling point was that they were non-stick, started to become sticky. We used them yesterday. I poured like a frozen Trader Joe's thing and I started stirring it, and my husband just like comes over and he's like, look, everything's sticking. And it's been happening for months now. I have no idea what we're doing wrong. I have no idea how to fix it. It's been what, maybe 6 months since October since we've had them. And the fact that they're already not looking good and not doing their job correctly just makes me sad, because they're so expensive, such an investment, and I just don't think they're worth the money. Like, if you were to tell me, would you repurchase them with your own money? My answer would be no. Would I recommend them to friends, family, or y'all? No, I don't think it's okay to spend $500 on something that hasn't lasted us more than 6 months. I am very sad to say that. I'm very grateful to the brand for sending those over, but this is my honest experience and opinion, and sadly it just did not impress me much. I have 2 hot takes and 2 very controversial opinions. Number one is, I don't know why anyone would ever spend more than $39 on perfume when Dossier exists. This one was sent to me a while ago from Amazon, but it's like a designer brand. And y'all, I have this in my guest bathroom. I don't even use it. And it's like a beautiful bottle and a nice perfume and it smells good. But I use these because they are so affordable. They smell just like designer stuff and they have so many more options. Basically, for the price of, how many do I have here? Seven dossiers, one designer perfume. I just don't know why people would do that. And my husband and I were talking about it. It's just like, they smell the same. To me, they last longer than most designer perfumes I've found. So I don't know if I still have a discount with Dossier, but I'll link my discount down below. I think it's just Philo 10. They also make some for men, and my husband is also obsessed. And here's my other hot take, Charlotte freaking Tilbury. 2 summers ago, I decided to treat myself for my birthday, and I bought a ton of Charlotte Tilbury after seeing it super hyped up on social media. This was actually the only thing I ended up keeping just because I felt bad returning it. I use this so many different ways. I also bought their foundation, and I bought their magic cream. Y'all, I've never been more disappointed in such expensive products in my life. e.l.f. recently released an alternative that is probably $9. This is like $50, and it does nothing under my skin, like not even a little bit. The magic cream, like I said, I returned. I have super dry skin. It did nothing for me. You know what does something for me? This cream, La Roche-Posay, is what I'm wearing in this video. It makes my skin so dewy. It makes my makeup apply so evenly, and this was like maybe $17, and you need the smallest amount. Then the powder that they have, this is like the alternative for it. If you want your skin to be completely blurred out and look like an actual filter without breaking the bank, go to Target or get this online. This is by number 7. And y'all, it's the only powder I'll ever use because, once again, I have super dry skin. So I don't need to be emphasizing more dryness, and this doesn't do that. It like illuminates and it makes my skin look flawless. And then if you want the cool look of the TikTokers doing their makeup with these ones, Amazon has $9 contour, blush, and highlighters. The exact same packaging, and the formula is great, and a ton of colors. I don't know if I'm missing something, but I honestly think it's TikTok hype. Here is my opinion on Ruggable and some better options for you if you're considering it. I have 2 washable runners in my kitchen. I am a fan of washable rugs. I think they're a genius concept. They're from Amazon. There's so many patterns and sizes and colors. I think one of them was 36, the other one was 50. So great deal. I wash them once a week. They wash amazing. They're just amazing. And to keep them in place, I just use carpet tape, and it works even better. Here's the thing. Ruggable has amazing runners and beautiful rugs and patterns and prints for the same price. You really can get like a ton of runners from Amazon. So if a runner's what you want, that is my advice. I would go the Amazon route. Here is the thing with bigger Ruggable rugs. Does it fit in your washing machine? You may be thinking like, oh my god, for the nursery, for the playroom, for my living room that's like a high traffic area, a washable rug might be amazing. But do you think an 8x10 rug is going to fit in your washing machine? On that note, I would just go the Loloi route. They are the same thickness, they look the same, and it might not be washable. We can always like use one of those like wet vacuums. So that's just my 2 cents. I've never tried Ruggable. I have seen and felt them in person in friends' houses. I don't want to piss anyone off, but I have a lot to say about Bamboo Baby Sleepy Pajamas. I bought the Kai Baby. This is it. This one is 6 to 12 months, I believe, and it fit her for so long. And it really is great quality, but you are spending $30-something for one onesie, right? Then I discovered that Amazon had alternatives that were 2 for $39, which is the price of 1 Kai Babies. They are so similar, like to the T on everything. They have the double zipper, they have the grip at the feet just like the Kai Baby do. I feel like they wash the same throughout her time wearing them. I would say if anything, maybe these were a little bit more snug. I don't think I would repurchase Kai Baby just because I found an identical alternative. Also, Target has really good ones. Those are not bamboo, but they feel the same, maybe a little bit thinner, and they still work really well. However, this is my mom hack. Ready? You see all these? First of all, they're so cute. If you're wondering, I'm not pregnant. I'm just saving them, okay? Because I find these at none other place than Marshall's for $9.99. And these are, once again, bamboo PJs, all sorts of different prints and sizes. Y'all, at Marshall's, you do have to dig through all the mess and try to spot them. But when you do, it's so worth it. I've gotten Olivia so many, mostly this brand Angel Deer. and they just wash so well. They're so pretty. So just saying, you don't need to break the bank. I fell for this quite recently, actually. Let me show you. There's this mom, she does like what I prepped for my meals this week, and she puts everything in these stunning containers. They're like glass, and then they have like silicone around them, and they come in the prettiest aesthetic colors. And then one day I just went, she has like 20. Okay, 20. I just went to Amazon. I was like, I really want one. They're so cute. $30 for this one. And I know I'm holding it. I'm crazy. I'm like considering returning it, honestly. You don't need, I know because I fell for it. You don't need this. You don't need to spend $30 on one glass meal prep container. But Philo, it's glass. It's better than plastic. Yep. And you know what? You can get like this many from Amazon for the same price. Because I have both. So don't do it. Don't do it. Maybe like treat yourself to one, but do you need a whole set? No. Oh, this one makes me uncomfortable, but I've been dying to say this in a video of mine for so long now. One thing that's very popular on TikTok, like on aesthetic cute girl TikTok, is unboxing Amazon glassware. And trust me, I am a sucker for any cute, unique looking glassware. I'm a sucker for it. I love it. I will spend all my money at Crate & Barrel and Anthropologie on glassware. Here's the thing. I found from personal experience of shopping at those like more expensive home stores, like I mentioned, and shopping on Amazon, that the Amazon ones are very overpriced. Very. And I know the temptation of seeing like a really pretty apartment and a girl unboxing all these like beautiful pink cups, and you're like running to Amazon to buy them. $110. I was like, for 6 cups? Like, what? And you go to Crate & Barrel and you find something similar for like half the price, if not less. Even going thrift shopping for those could be a way better alternative. Trust me, I fell for it. I fell for it a few times. I really like some of the glassware I bought from Amazon, but for the most part, World Market, Crate & Barrel, CB2, Williams Sonoma, what else? Even Walmart sometimes has cute glassware. Target does too. Just do your research. Don't just spend like $100 on glassware on Amazon just because someone on TikTok claims it's like the best deal ever. I promise, I've tried. It's not. So guys, that's everything for today's video. Once again, I'm sufficiently uncomfortable now. I kind of like hating. Like, I'm not really trying to hate. I'm honestly giving y'all like my perspective and my opinion and my honest thoughts on things that maybe you only hear positive things about, and you're like, oh my god, I want that so bad, because I've been there. Like, I literally just showed you, I bought a $30 meal prep container that is this big. Like, what's wrong with me, you know? So just offering up a little perspective and different options to hopefully get you to make a more informed decision. Still uncomfortable though. Anyway, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if you want to keep seeing these every so often. If you haven't watched part 1, I'll leave it down below. Let me know what products you're skeptical on, you think they might be overhyped, or that you tried because of TikTok or Instagram or YouTube and it fell flat for you, or if there's any product you want me to de-influence or try out to see if it's worth the money. I would love to do that for y'all. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll talk to you guys very soon in my next one.